Welcome to the rocket profile of the Space Shuttle, also known as the Space Transportation System, America's multi-purpose space truck and construction ship. With 135 launches spanning the 30 years between 1981 and 2011, the Space Shuttle conducted an unparalleled variety of missions, and as of its retirement carried more astronauts to orbit than any other system. The Space Shuttle is a 1.5 stage system in that it has a core stage plus boosters. The booster stage consists of 2 solid rocket boosters producing around 13,800 kilonewtons of thrust at maximum and 12,000 kilonewtons at sea level, burning P-band and ammonium perchlorate composite propellant or APCP for 2 minutes and 3 seconds at decoupling, though they continue to burn at low thrust after separation from the vehicle. The mrbeasts have a specific impulse of 242 seconds at sea level and 268 seconds in vacuum. The solid propellant is in 4 segments, each shaped to provide steadily less thrust as the vehicle gets lighter after burning the fuel. The boosters ignite a few seconds after the core stage, which consists of 3 Space Shuttle main engines on the orbiter itself, fed liquid hydrogen and liquid oxygen from the large orange external tank. The SSMEs are RS-25 engines, and in their upgraded form produce up to 2,279 kilonewtons of thrust in vacuum, with a specific impulse of 366 seconds at sea level and 452 in vacuum. Nominal burn time was around 8 minutes. While the core stage was capable of completing orbit, there was a desire to ensure that the external tank was not left in orbit as debris, so the main engines were shut down just short of orbit. The orbiter's Orbital Maneuvering System, or OMS, engines completed orbit. These were 2 AJ-10-190s producing 26.7 kilonewtons of thrust each by burning monomethylhydrazine and nitrogen tetroxide with an ISP of 316 seconds. The OMS engines were extremely reliable and provided continuous burns of more than 20 minutes when deorbiting the vehicle. Providing transportation to space for hundreds of astronauts, the Space Shuttle also carried the Galileo Jupiter probe, Ulysses Space Probe, the Hubble Space Telescope, the Magellan spacecraft, Compton Gamma Ray Observatory, and Chandra X-ray Observatory. It conducted satellite repairs as well as servicing missions to Hubble. It carried Spacelab on 22 missions, conducting hundreds of scientific experiments. It docked with Mir and subsequently carried modules to construct the International Space Station. Designed to be reusable, the orbiter did largely eliminate the need to create an entirely new spacecraft for each mission, as was the case for Mercury, Gemini, and Apollo, but failed to make the launcher aspect of the system easily reused. And overshadowing all of its accomplishments were the 2 devastating disasters, the loss of 7 astronauts on Challenger on STS-51L, and 7 more astronauts on Columbia on STS-107. With that, thank you for watching this rocket profile of the Space Shuttle.